At the time Kubernetes was open sourced, we didn't take it for granted that the thing we built would automatically be successful.
At the time, Google was behind Amazon. Amazon had been out for 12 years. Google was the third, playing catch up.
The problem was they were so kind of ahead that if you want to change the game, strategically, like what do you do?
We thought there was an interesting opportunity to look at what it would take to be fundamentally a little bit more disruptive.
How do we change things up? How do we shake the snow globe? Incrementalism wasn't going to actually make Google successful with GCE.
It was clear that with the way we were structured, we will fail. We will burn ourselves.
People felt like it was a zero-sum game. Whoever won the orchestration wars would somehow win all the business and all the customers.